So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a little bit of desoldering of the driver transistors. And we're going to take the solder off using solder wick. One of the important things to remember about solder wick, it works very good at not lifting traces as long as you keep the heat on it until after you're done sucking up the solder with it. Want to keep that heat on it and lift it away while the heat's on it. If you don't lift it away while the heat's on it, then what will happen is you'll pull up the trace along with the solder wick, which is not a desirable thing. So lift it away while the heat's on it, and it should leave the trace nicely unmolested. Okay, there you can see that one's done. What I do is I clip off the end of the solder wick that's been used and expose some fresh solder wick. It does get a little bit warm, so you need to watch your fingers a little bit. I always try and kind of make the solder wick a little bit wider, because when you do that, when you push it together like this, it sucks up solder a little bit better. Try and get the solder off of both sides so that the transistors will come out nice and easy when you're done. Well, there's two of the drivers. There's a couple more to go. Solder wick does a nice job of leaving the traces alone. If you use a solder sucker on a board this old, sometimes what will happen is you'll hit the sucker will suck, and it'll suck the trace right up off the board and break the trace. That's something that's quite undesirable. It leaves you in the position of having to fix the board after you'd butchered it. You don't want to do that if you can help it. There we go. We've got all these drivers nice and loose. This one here could use a little bit of help on one side. That's good and loose. That's good and loose. Okay. Now we've got the other two transistors that we have to deal with. I'm going to have to take a look and see where they are exactly. They're these two. So we go. That one just fell right out of there. And there it is. The little devil right there. Bring it up. Take a look at where this one is. This one is 3 across right here. There we go. Suck that right up. There we go. That one's ready to come out too. See if I can get a hold of that little devil. There it is. We got this one too. So these other 4 drivers are ready to come out. Each of them, what we're going to need to do is take out the Phillips head screws on them. There's one. This other one's a little bit harder to get to. I have to move some components out of the way a little bit. Under that. There we go. And we have the Phillips head screws out. And there's the transistor and the Phillips head. Let that little devil get away from us. There we go. There's the other driver. There's another driver. And here's the last driver right there. So that's the removal of the transistors, and we'll come back and put them back in.